Hello everyone, welcome to Bavaria Top Sites. I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Our topic of today is the lovely town of Passau in Lower Bavaria, which is located on 3 rivers, such as the Danube River, the second largest river in Europe, then the Inn River and Ilz River. Passau is also famous for its Venetian, Italian architecture. For all that reason they call Passau the city on 3 rivers, or the Bavarian Venice, because of its Italian architecture. The history of Passau begins with the Romans in the 1st century AD, when they built on the nowadays location of Passau a Roman castle called Bavaria, which was named after the Germanic tribe of the Batava. In 467 AD, when the Roman Empire was perished, the Romans left this area and the Germanic tribe of the Bavarians settled down here in entire Bavaria and most parts of Austria. For that reason, the Austrian and Bavarian culture and language is quite similar. In 739, Passau became the seat of the Prince Bishop of Passau. Passau is famous for many top sites. First of all, of course, the gorgeous Baroque Cathedral St. Stephen, which was rebuilt in 1668 and contains the biggest church organ in the world. The cathedral is also one of the biggest cathedrals throughout Europe. Second, the Venetian Town Hall. The foundstone was laid in 1298 AD, and the architecture was built in the Italian style of Venice in Italy. Last but not least, there is the castle Feste Oberhaus, which thrones over the Danube River and was established in 1219 AD as a castle and residence of the Prince Bishop of Passau. I really hope you have enjoyed my video on Passau, the Bavarian Venice. Passau is definitely one of the top sites of Bavaria, with its gorgeous Baroque cathedral and its lovely Italian architecture. I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Please share this video and rate and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bavaria is world famous for its beer. Who doesn't know the Hofbrauhaus or Neuschwanstein Castle? But nothing even comes close to the Oktoberfest, the biggest beer fest in the entire world. The original Oktoberfest is located in Munich, the capital of Bavaria, which is my hometown. This Bavarian tradition was established in 1810 and has millions of visitors from all over the world each year. For more information on this mega event, please check out my book, Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available as ebook or paperback on Amazon.com. So long, friends, or as we say here in Bavaria, Servus, für Gott und auf Wiedersehen.